Hello fellow teachers, in this video we are going to show you how to create an account on winelement.com so that you can join the membership and download activity and question bank that are pre-made for you. And if you have any question, you can click on the chat and then you can fill out the information and we will help you from there. So let's go back up here and click on login. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on continue with Google's. Okay, and you are going to use your school Gmail account. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to click on mine and I'm going to type in the information. The reason why we require teachers to use their school Gmail account because we don't want students to sign up their account and then join the membership and then download and see all the answers. Now, if you are a teacher and you are using a free account on slido.com, you need to contact us here, okay, and tell us that you have registered and create a course, and we will manually enroll you in one of the membership, so that way you can download activity. But if you are going to go to premium, you can click on add to course and then check out, and then that automatically enroll you in the premium membership that you can download. In this demo account, we already grant access to one of the membership. To find your activity, go ahead and click on download activities, or under Slido, click on download activity. There you go. The best way to do is use the product filter to find your best question bank. In this case, for example, if you notice 7th grade has 48 items, right? But I want to choose 7th grade, a combination of multiple categories, okay, 7th grade. But I only want fraction that work with 7th grade, okay? So I'm going to click on filter. And of course, you can use for other subject as well. As you can see here, you see that, okay? Or in this case, I want to uncheck that and I just want to search for chemistry and I click on filter. There you go. In this case, I'm going to click on the lab safeties. And to quickly add it to your course, you can click on quick view, okay, and then you just add to course. There you go. And notice I can delete the specific item that I don't want. And then if you want to add multiple one of them, click on quick view and add to course. There you go. Now you have 2 items and you can check out. Now here you're going to enter your billing details and your shipping address. In this case is 0. So go ahead and fill it out. Okay. And once you are done, click on place order. And then you are done. Now, notice if you click on this, you are able to download it, okay? See how it's downloading up here? Okay. Now, what if you don't have access to this page again? What you can do is under my account, okay, go to your order, okay, or you can go to download, okay. It will take you to the items that you have purchased or have access to. So in this case, I'm going to download this right here. And if you have the opportunity, please leave feedback so that way other teachers can read your feedback and get the information as well. So please do that if you have the chance. So in this case, I'm going to click on name lab equipment. After it is downloaded, you should be able to find it in your download folders. In this case, naming lab equipment. Now, before you can upload this onto i.slido, you need to extract it, okay? Click on it and click on extract to that particular folder name. See right there? Or you can click on extract here, but the best way to do it is extract to the folder, so that way it generates a folder for you. And in here, it has the file that you can upload onto iSlido. So in this case, let me go to my class, and I'm going to do that right now for you. So one of our activity for the first week is lab equipment, okay? So before we create a quiz, we need to have a question, but we just downloaded it there already. So in this case, I'm going to go to the gear, and I'm going to click on more, okay? And under this, I'm going to click on category. So in this case, I'm going to create a folder. So that way, if the folder that I just downloaded has some other subfolder, I don't want to mess up with my organization. So I want to create a folder. In this case, I'm going to label 103 lab equipment. Okay, so as you can see here, I click, make sure it's top category, and notice how I just put 0 there. 0103, this is for unit 1, okay? And that's how we keep everything organized. Of course, you can make changes to this later. Click add category. So now I'm going to import what I just downloaded into this folder I created. So again, the whole point of this, so that way, if the folder we just downloaded that's being shared from somebody, we don't want that to mess up our organization. So I'm going to click on this folder. Next, I'm going to click on import. There you go. And I'm going to choose Moodle XML. Always choose that, okay? And under generals, I'm going to click on get category from file, uncheck that, okay? And we're going to choose the folder we just created. And there you go. What you can do is, and now on our computer, the file that we just extracted there, all we have to do is click on it and drag it in there. And we click on import. And we are done. Just sit back and relax. There you go. And if you click on this, you can edit the question. See right there? Beautiful. So all the work is done for you. Isn't that nice? It's beautiful, isn't it? So that's pretty much it. Now, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to create an activity out of this. So in this case, I am going to go back to my course. And I'm going to create an activity for it. I'm going to click on add activity or resource, and I'm going to choose quiz. Okay. I'm going to label 1-3 lab equipment. There you go. And under grade, I'm going to choose unit 1, and I'm going to make sure grade to pass is worth 30 points. And what I like to do is I like to have a grading method of an average grade. So that way the students are being forced or encouraged to do their best every single time. And of course, if there are personal challenges or problems, you can manually delete their low attempt. Okay, so if you're doing this as a class activity, you have a time limit. It forces the student to focus and do the best on the first attempt. Okay, but at the same time, if they didn't do so well, they can still reattempt again, improve their grade, and overall, it gives that learning equity with accountability in the process. Now let's go down here under review option. I already preset everything for you already. You don't have to worry about that. Under restriction, we are going to put a master password that we are going to use for every single quiz. So that way, when you are making this quiz activity, your students see in the end, they could not attempt it, okay? So we are going to be done with this. The next thing we are going to do is click on save and display, okay? And oh, there you go. And then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to edit the quiz to put in the question. Remember, we just download this question. What I'm going to do is choose from question bank, go to my lab equipment. There you go. Beautiful. 24 question. And I am going to check on all of them. There you go. And I'm going to click add select. So it automatically, 24 question. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shuffle this. And again, I want to make this to be worth our 40 points. Okay. And then we click save. That way it motivates our student to do the work. As you can see here, we are pretty much done. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to control when is this going to open. So I'm going to go to my lab equipment activity right here. See how I navigate to the activity just created? Under group override, okay. Under the gear, click on the gear, click on group override, and we're going to have this open. So for me, in this case, my student going to do a lab equipment on, let me see. Our school start on the 12th. So I'm going to choose my third period, which is my first class where I have regular chemistry. So in this case, I'm going to check enable. And then I'm going to choose the date. So the 12th is August 12th. August 12th right there. Okay. Right there. Oh, our school actually start on August 11th then. Oops. What we're going to do is I will have this will be available on August 12th for the student. So let's click on August 12th. and my third period start at 10:15 maybe. I don't know, but I can check on that later. So I'm going to set this timer so that's going to end in 23 hours. So that way, if the student don't finish in class, they can go home and finish it, and the attempt is unlimited. There you go. So for third period, it would open at 10:15 for them automatically, and they have 23 hours to finish the first attempt. And I will continue to do this for other periods as well, but for now, I don't know what the bell schedule for my class yet. So we are going to do that later on. Pretty much we are done. And as always, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you learned something from these videos, please click on the subscribe button so that way if we have a new video, you get it right away. And also it helps us to reach out to other teachers as well. And if you would like to learn more about creating a course on i.sleedo.com for your class, please go to Win Elements and contact us from there. And we'll see you next time on another exciting video.